Here's a voltmeter from American Autowire that I installed in my 68 Chevy C10. And I wired it using the stock wires. You can see that red wire up there that's plugged into the radio terminal in the fuse panel. And then in the engine compartment here, I took the black wire that's normally for the ammeter that would normally be connected to the 12-volt terminal there. I just grounded it. That way I didn't have to add any new wires or cut the old wires. So let's take a look at what it reads. If I turn the key to on, shows 12 volts for the battery.